There are many questions that go into writing an estimate, or even before writing the estimate.
Is this repairable or a total
Was that
loss?
a 5-foot bed or 6
Is this
foot?
the sport
Is this
pack?
paint
Are
called
these
fire red or
radiators
mega red?
heated?
What if you could have these questions and more answered automatically? Now, build sheet data is available in CCC One. With CCC build sheets, you can get a clearer picture of the vehicle so you can write better estimates faster, improve the accuracy of your parts orders, and spend less time researching paint codes. When you get CCC build sheets, just decode the VIN on the CCC One mobile app or ccc1.com like normal. If a build sheet for that vehicle exists, CCC One will automatically apply trim packages, vehicle options, and paint codes to the work file. You won't have to manually select the model you're working on. CCC One does it for you. Get a better picture of the vehicle's parts options so you're more likely to order the right one, cutting down on returns. When that happens, your cycle time goes down, leading to happier customers. Go from lots of choices to the right choice with CCC build sheets. And no more digging through hundreds of options online or in manuals just to find the right paint code. It's all right there in the CCC One work file. You'll also have a vehicle equipment report with all this data in a single PDF. A vehicle's valuation can really be impacted by its trim package and options. You'll have the data to determine much more quickly if a vehicle is repairable or a total loss. We all do our jobs better with more information. Get more information on every vehicle so you can write better estimates faster, order parts more accurately, and spend less time researching paint codes. CCC Build Sheets. Get it today.